potatoes. This is Courtney burping on command.
I used to be able to burp my ABCs. I don't think I can do it anymore. Wait. It's getting stuck again.
Oh no.
It always does this every time I do this.
I can see my plate from behind you.
Ew. It's just like crap.
Can't believe you said that about my grandma's meatloaf.
No, just the way you have the
Oh.
ketchup and stuff on it. It's like poo. With blood.
Oh!
Just kidding.
So sick.
You're sick.
I know. I gotta burp now.
Go ahead, burp then.
Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Thank you.
We're having a
very
burp
much.
off here. Oh man. Oh man.
Now you're gonna make me burp.
Better than come out the other end.
Yeah.
That's stinky. One.